welcome back to my channel, Megan Victoria. My name is Megan. I'm a pro hair and makeup artist and I put out 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And in today's video, I'm showing you this super quick fall messy bun. I love a good messy bun, but I like a messy bun. I like a big bun, I like volume, I like just it kind of looking like it's about to fall off your head. But you know, she's secure, she's got pins. I get asked how I do my messy bun all the time, so I figured I would sit down and I would do it with you with a whole vibe, a whole look, etc, etc. This is also part of my little mini fall series, which I'm doing on my channel, which I'm showing you the hair, makeup, and outfit for a whole kind of fall look. So if you do enjoy that, make sure to check those videos out down below. But if you'd like to see how I get this glamorous messy bun, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so for hair, I just want to do like a big generic messy bun. I feel like that's very fall-esque. So we're not going to make this complicated at all. I'm just literally going to toss out my hair. So when I'm making these like kinds of messy buns, I kind of go from the bottom and I gather the hair like so. Like, I know this looks crazy, but I want it, like, I need my messy bun like super friggin' messy or else like I don't like it. So I will gather hair like this right on top of my head. And literally, even if you loop it once around, that's sometimes like good enough. And then you'll have like this bun shape here. I need to go a little lower for you. There we go. Now what I've been enjoying though is I really like the pieces on the side, kind of more side swept. So I want them like nice and soft around the face like this. And then if there's anything like I don't like, honestly, I just pin it out of the way. So obviously this is too much. It's getting a little pin. That's all that's happening there. Then I'm just going to finesse and play with the shape. And then obviously when I'm ready, I will start pulling pieces down. I don't even mind that it's like a little lopsided. I kind of think it's cute, but I've really been liking these pieces all very loose around the face. Okay, so now I'll just start playing and pulling. And then this is where your little pins come in. So you can just pin it all in place. Your messy bun will never look the same twice. I think that's beautiful. It's like a snowflake. But I've just really been liking it very like soft around the face. So all these can come down. Honestly, even this can come down. I just like kind of poke and prod at it. I want it kind of looking like it's falling apart. I know that's not everyone's vibe, but that's totally my vibe. And it definitely helped that my hair was dirty today. If your hair is not dirty, I would suggest like giving it some kinks and curls just so you have a little bit of something going on. Because it's that texture that really like helps you out. And then when you get to this stage, all you need is a quick little curling iron. You're gonna take these little pieces and like curl them for like 2 seconds, like not long, because you don't want it looking too like curled. So I'll just take these and just like literally like slide my wand down my barrel. And just kind of finger play with them. And like this guy's falling down, so why not? You can join the party. Like, this is not how I do like a client's messy bun, but like for me, this is perfect. This is all I want and need. And I like to make sure there's good volume up at the top, even like before like the actual bun. And then just like more pins. And I usually will place my pins at the back so I can push it forward because I like it really, really obnoxiously tall. Just like that. Gives me like an extra friggin' feet of height. There we go. And a little bit of hairspray. I just kind of like to lift everything just so I can like spray it into the height. Perfect. Alright guys, so there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed. I love this look. I think it's so great for fall. It's such a great transitional hairstyle as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week. Bye. Mwah.